Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gemini to enable security and withdrawals, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gemini website. Log in to your Gemini account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings, locate the Security tab. Click on the Security tab to open the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication by clicking the option provided. Follow the prompts to link your authentication app or phone number. Next, go back to the Account Settings menu. Select the Withdrawals tab to configure withdrawal settings. Ensure that your bank account information is up to date. If needed, add a new bank account by clicking on Add Bank Account. Follow the instructions to verify your bank account through a small deposit. Return to the Withdrawals tab. Set your withdrawal limits according to your preferences. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Once you have configured your settings, log out of your account for security. Log back in to ensure that all settings were correctly applied. Finally, confirm that your two-factor authentication is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.